Hey there, design lovers! Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your ultimate destination for all things home decor and design. Today, we're delving into a design style that's experiencing a remarkable resurgence: the modern ranch-style house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Ranch-style house design. This iconic architectural style blends the laid-back charm of the traditional ranch with contemporary sensibilities, creating homes that are both stylish and incredibly livable. The modern ranch house design is an evolution of the classic American ranch-style home. Originating in the 1930s, the original ranch was inspired by Spanish colonial architecture and emphasized single-story living, open floor plans, and a strong connection to the outdoors. The modern iteration retains these core elements but incorporates contemporary materials, clean lines, and updated aesthetics. Think of it as a respectful nod to the past with a firm foot in the present. It's about creating a relaxed, informal living environment that is both functional and beautiful. There are several compelling reasons why modern ranch house design is so popular today. Firstly, its single-story layout makes it incredibly accessible for people of all ages and abilities. This makes it a popular choice for families with young children or those planning for aging in place. Secondly, the open floor plans promote a sense of spaciousness and encourage social interaction. This is ideal for modern lifestyles where open-concept living is highly valued. The emphasis on indoor-outdoor flow also creates a strong connection to nature, which has been shown to have numerous health and well-being benefits. Finally, the inherent adaptability of the ranch style allows for seamless integration of various design elements, making it easy to personalize your home and reflect your unique taste. Creating a stunning modern ranch exterior involves careful consideration of several key elements. Start by focusing on clean lines and simple forms. Avoid excessive ornamentation and instead prioritize natural materials like wood, stone, and brick. Large windows and sliding glass doors are essential for maximizing natural light and creating that coveted indoor-outdoor connection. Consider incorporating features like covered patios or porches to extend the living space outdoors. Landscaping plays a crucial role in enhancing the curb appeal of a modern ranch. Opt for drought-tolerant plants and clean, geometric landscaping designs to complement the architecture. Several facade styles work beautifully with modern ranch architecture. A popular choice is incorporating board and batten siding, which adds texture and visual interest. Another excellent option is using a combination of materials, such as brick and wood, to create a dynamic and visually appealing facade. Consider incorporating large expanses of glass to maximize natural light and create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. The key is to maintain a balance between modern and traditional elements, creating a facade that is both timeless and contemporary. And finally, here's the collection of the top 10 best modern ranch house design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Embrace natural materials. Use wood, stone, and brick extensively throughout the exterior and interior. 2. Maximize natural light. Incorporate large windows, skylights, and sliding glass doors. 3. Open floor plan. Create a seamless flow between living, dining, and kitchen areas. 4. Indoor-outdoor connection. Design covered patios, courtyards, or outdoor living spaces. 5. Clean lines and simple forms. Avoid excessive ornamentation and prioritize functionality. 6. Neutral color palette. Use a base of neutral colors with pops of color for accents. 7. Minimalist decor. Opt for clean, uncluttered spaces with carefully selected furnishings. 8. Strategic landscaping. Use drought-tolerant plants and geometric landscaping designs. 9. Focus on functionality. Design spaces that are practical and meet the needs of your lifestyle. 10. Incorporate modern technology. Integrate smart home features for enhanced convenience and energy efficiency. The modern ranch house design offers a perfect blend of comfort, style, and functionality. Its emphasis on open living, indoor-outdoor flow, and adaptability makes it an ideal choice for today's homeowners. By incorporating the ideas we've discussed today, you can create a modern ranch home that is both beautiful and perfectly suited to your lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on Home Inspiration Studios. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the world of modern ranch house design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home design inspiration. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best ranch-style house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.